What's up, traders? Welcome back. Today I want to make a quick video due to popular demand showing some live trading again. And since it's March 1st and it's also the end of the biggest red streak I have ever been on, I thought it's a perfect time to do a quick little recap video. Plus, if I don't make these recap videos, I feel like I don't make videos at all. So I'll be sharing two live trades on two different tickers. We got LHDX and ONCS, how I traded them after being in a really long downtrend, 8 red days in a row. And it's actually been worse than that. At least it feels like much worse, because this is my overall P&L and it's for my day trading momentum portfolio. And you can really see it's really, ever since November, I've basically been flat. And the reason for that is because I've been trying to hold longer on a lot of tickers. So I'll do my classic day trading front side, which I have a video about if you guys really want to dive into much more live trading, and check out this video. We've had great feedback on it. So I'll be doing that strategy, but then I'll also be working on holding longer, and that is messing me up like no tomorrow. It's a bit insane. So here's my calendar really quickly. Let me zoom into this one. I'll make my head a little bit smaller, and you can see for February I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red days in a row. And again, the problem was not my classic day trading strategy, it was my swing trading. For example, everything, if we just go to the 1 minute time frame, that's basically all my classic day trading front side, and we click apply. Look at this. It's not that bad of a red streak. I'm still not in any sort of flow. It's been really sloppy for me start of the year, but it's because I'm tripping over myself learning this new strategy, and I've been really doubling down on my studies like no tomorrow, but they have yet to pay off. I feel like I'm close, but it still hasn't clicked. And I'm sharing a lot of the information in the Discord, specifically in the insider chat room, where I'm getting bottom tick like crazy. My stops are getting out just for the ticker to reverse. So I have to keep tweaking that strategy. So I'm a little bit on the fence right now. Do I stop swing trading altogether or holding longer altogether, get my focus back on only trading front side momentum? Or do I keep going through this, slugging it out, and hopefully eventually getting green on the other side? I'll tell you what, trading two strategies at once is a living nightmare, and I didn't do it for the longest time, for years. And now that I'm doing it, it's a good reminder of why I always told myself not to do it. Now, the reason I am doing it is because I'm trying to prepare for hotter trading seasons, because we have sometimes these really nice multi-day winners that I would like to capitalize on. In terms of being a long biased kind of swing trader, it is probably the worst time since the '08 crash to be practicing that. And I think there's a little bit of, obviously, me learning a new strategy, or at least holding longer. But then there's also just the market, which is the classic taking stairs up and the elevator down right now. And that's how the market's behaving, because we're overall quite bearish. So I might just need to put this strategy on ice until things heat up a little bit more again. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If there's anything interesting, I'll definitely be responding. But I talk about this topic a lot, and you'll hear me talking about it again tomorrow in the Insider Trading podcast. I'll quickly link that channel up here. Anyway, here are the two tickers I traded today, and I'm actually green again in terms of day trading, but I'm red. Here you can see it, small green day, up $100, but I'm actually red in terms of swing trading. Again, all my swings, I got stopped out of so many swings. Boom, stop, and some of them rip right back to the high. So my swings are just, whoa, they're horrendous right now. This is probably one of the worst days though, but I'll save this swing topic for another video. I just want you guys to understand two strategies at once, never really a good idea. And that's what's making me trip over myself so much. So in the two trades you're about to see, LHDX and ONCS, you'll see how I reduce my risk by being a little bit more scalpy, just taking some quick profits just to get back green on the day, so I can put a little bit of buffer between me and that red state of mind, that red streak I've been on. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Support came right back in. quick little trade. Unfortunately, I missed my ideal fills. That was a little unfortunate. Nice breakout there. That was an 8% move. Watching LHDX here, seeing if we can get a pullback to the 9 EMA. I don't want to jump in too aggressive just because this ticker does have those wiki pullbacks. It would still be more or less a micro pullback, but at least it has that big support zone right below it. I'm not sure if we'll get a full pullback, but I just feel like it's better to be a little bit more cautious here as opposed to buying high. I've just been really getting worked. 138 still finding support, good bid. We're on the front side, above the former. New 5-minute popping up here in a second. We're pulling back slightly. Holding here pretty good. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a bounce. Still holding well. Yeah, too much resistance there for me. See if we could start sizing into this. Wow, there's a lot of volume going on right now. See if we can get that last pop. Seems like the order book is just super sticky. I think that's gonna call it for me here. I think I got the move I wanted. It seems a little bit more risky now. Who knows, it could have great continuation, but it's just really hard to say.